Today we're going to be talking about how to replace a timer on a Maytag / Whirlpool dryer. The timer went out, so the dryer continues to run even when the clothes are dry. You're going to need a drill, putty knife, and the actual part. I'll have the actual part description and the description of the dryer in the comments below. First, you're going to take the putty knife. You take it, you slide it up to the edge. There's a clip right there. You push in, and you lift that out. Then you go to the other side, do the exact same thing, lift that out. You pull this control panel a little forward, and then you can flip it down. And once you have it like that, take your drill. You have 6 screws. Once you have all the screws out, you take the back panel off. This is the timer here. You want to take all of these connectors out. This one here is kind of tricky. I took my putty knife and I pushed in the tab here, and then I'll take it out. I kind of already had that one loosened up. That'll be the one you'll have the most problems with taking off, because it has that little push. It has a little push tab here that you push down to get it underneath this lip. Then you take these 2 screws out. Once those are out, you turn it over, take off the knob, and then you have that piece out. Then you get the new part, you put the new timer in, and I suggest that you put the knob on. Once you get that in there, put the knob on, that will hold it in place. And then you take a screw. Then you take the connectors and connect those back. Make sure they're on there. So press down pretty. And once you have that, you're going to put the backing back on, the back panel back on. By the way, this is a 1/4 inch bit on here, just in case you wanted to know. This is a 1/4 inch bit, these screws. Once you get all the screws in, you lift this up. There's some tabs here. You want to put those in the grooves, in the back grooves. Once you get them in there, you push them back a little bit, and then all you got to do is press down, snap it in. And once you finish that, you just turn the power back on, and you should be good. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share. Thank you.